Traders lose money every day because they guess. They try to pick tops and bottoms of unpredictable markets, bleeding capital to catch a falling knife. To fix this, we replace human emotion with a strict 5-step rules-based methodology. We are going to stack specific technical elements on top of each other to isolate high-probability entry points. You do not need expensive software to execute this. A basic charting platform and a standard time frame, like a 5-minute or a daily chart, are the only prerequisites. When you rely on a visual formula instead of gut feeling, you rely on math. This is how you survive market volatility. Step 1 begins at the micro level. A single candlestick shows you the complete story of a price battle over a specific defined unit of time. The thick center section is the body, showing exactly where price opened and closed. A green body means buyers drove the price up. A red body means sellers took control. The thin wicks represent the absolute highest and lowest extremes reached during that session. If you cannot read this basic anatomical data, you will misinterpret market sentiment. We have to secure this micro view before we map the larger patterns. Step 2 requires zooming out. This line graph shows broader market structure, helping us trade alongside the trend. An uptrend is a strict sequence: new higher highs followed by higher lows. If the price breaks below the previous pullback's lowest point, this uptrend is broken. Step 3 introduces a filter to this structure. We add a 20-period moving average to the chart. This continuous curve averages the closing prices of the last 20 candles. It serves as a visual boundary. In an uptrend, we strictly look for buying opportunities when the price stays above this line. It also has a second function. This moving average acts as a dynamic, floating floor where the price naturally seeks to bounce during a pullback. By combining the strict rule of higher lows with this dynamic moving average, we establish a rigid, objective barrier against false signals. Step 4 is the break and retest target. Instead of chasing spikes, we wait for price to break a barrier and return. This old resistance level converts into new support. This intersection is our area of value. Step 5 is the absolute rule. Never enter a trade blindly just because the price hits this convergence zone. This illustration shows what we need next: a trigger. A rejection candle has a long bottom wick resting right on the curve, proving that buyers forcibly pushed the price back up. Alternatively, you can look for a bullish engulfing pattern, where a massive green body completely swallows the size of the previous red body. Stacking these elements, the higher high trend, the convergence zone, and a precise candlestick trigger, turns a random gamble into a calculated execution. You now possess an objective, rules-based strategy. There is no emotional guessing or panic involved. Look at this checklist before every trade. Are you making higher highs? Is the price above the moving average? Has past resistance been retested? Do you have a bullish trigger? Do not risk real money right away. Protect your capital by opening a demo account to test these mechanics safely. Go to your charts and visually locate this exact setup 20 times. Document each one until the pattern recognition becomes subconscious. Successful trading is not predicting the future. It is the flawless, robotic execution of proven conditions.